Hey guys! I wanted to tackle a comic book style Mysterio, and I ended up way happier with this look than expected. So I hope you stick around and see how it all came together. I'm going to begin with some green Wolfe FX hydra color and get a quick base down. Taking Wolfe FX hydra color in black, start to paint the vertical lines of the suit and moving on to drawing out the anatomy with thick comic book style lines. With Skin Illustrator black, airbrush some shadows along the line work to emphasize the drawn anatomy and add some dimension. Next, took Buggles Classic Colors No. 2 palette and used the dark green out of there, airbrushing that shade above where I put the black. Also the top of the shoulders, since they should be in shadow from the cape. Using a mixture of the Buggles lime color from the Classic color palette and some of the white Wolfe hydra color, add some highlights. Then take some pure white and added smaller, intenser highlights in the areas I just went over. Once that's all done, added the horizontal lines of the suit to get the grid pattern. Added a few more shadows with the black where needed. Put on the collar piece I made out of craft foam. Didn't film pre-painting this because I really wasn't sure this look was even going to come out. Blew the eyebrows and added some foam pieces for the head. Used paper skin tape to close the gap between my head and the foam. Then used two-way tape to put on the cape piece I made out of that same foam. Once that's in position, took Skin Illustrator white and painted where the cape clasps were going to go. I did this step so that when I go over with the water activated color, it won't reactivate the green or black below and get muddy. Took the black hydra color and added shadows under the cape and around the clasp. Back with the Buggles Classic Color No. 2 palette, this time using the light purple, start filling in those white squares. This was also the same product that I used to pre-paint on the cape, to make sure it all ties together. Use black hydra color to add details to the clasp. And colored in the eyes with some white hydra color. Then using Buggles light yellow on the iris of each eye. Now to add some highlights with some white Wolfe hydra color. Onto the face. I blocked my eyebrows out with some white Skin Illustrator before moving on to white hydra color for the rest of my face. Started creating dimension to the globe with some light blue Wolfe FX hydra color. So for whatever reason, while I started filming again, my camera didn't focus and I failed to realize it. So bear with me, it does go back to normal, I promise. I was basically painting in the blue like the reference image I chose. Took the Buggles Sapphire color and outlined the light blue and added shadow areas. And we're back in focus. Just keep building up the shadow details with the Sapphire color. Then clean up the white areas that needed it. Also went in back with the Buggles Sapphire and darkened some areas. Cleaned up anywhere else that may have needed it. And you're done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.